Another particular methodology is to use prototyping. Prototyping is to actually create a working version of whatever your idea actually is. Right. So to do this, you actually repetitively create, right, analyze, design, create, test, and show the user what is going on. And they actually have something to work with. They have something to see, they have something to feedback. Okay. And you don't have to use the entire life cycle for prototyping. You can just use one part of it. Okay. So as a system analyst, well, let's say you have created a prototype. Well, what can you do? Well, you can take that prototype and actually implement it or throw it away. Just take the idea of the prototype, take the design idea of the prototype, and build something from it. Use it as a way of as a design tool. Now, it has a lot of benefit, right? No doubt. Okay, one of it is because the user can actually see it, the user can give you feedback. And if there's any miscommunication, misunderstanding, we will be able to sort it out between the system analyst, the project manager, and the user. Why? Because the user can see what the end result probably look like from your prototype. And this reduce a lot of risk as well as potential wastage of time. But it has its own problem. Okay. Because you are building a prototype. Other type of characteristic, good characteristic attributes like reliability, maintainability are not taken care at a prototype level. All right, because you just work on the speed. Okay, you just want to get it up done. All right, very quickly show the user. So most of these are never taken care of. All right, prototype may sound very nice, but it may not be that easy to manage. In order to do things very quickly in the prototype, you need tools. Here are just some of the tools that you can actually look into to help you. Application generators, report generators, as well as screen generator. But before you actually jump into prototype, know its limitation. What it may be functional, but it's not very efficient. But it is just a model. But it is just a model. And it may lack a lot of other attributes that you may want from it.